Welcome to day 6, and today we are going to learn a most important thing in this course, and that is gratitude. I have done a 7 days video course on gratitude, but as a part of this 30 days journey, I want to tell you that gratitude opens door to love, to happiness, and whatever you want to achieve in your life. This is such an wonderful feeling that you cannot live a single day of your life without gratitude. Today I am going to tell you in short how to practice gratitude in your life. Take a notebook or maybe a diary and start writing the things for which you are grateful for in your life. You can start from very small things like the place you are living in now, the food you eat daily, the people around you, and you keep on increasing the depth of this feeling. There are very wonderful practices about gratitude. Rhonda Byrne has written a great book on it, The Magic, and in her book she has given 28 days magical practices to practice gratitude in your life. But I have done a 7 days course because many people find it very difficult to go for a 28 days long course on one single topic. So what I have done is I have divided all those 28 days practices into major headings like feeling grateful about money, feeling grateful about people, feeling grateful about yourself, feeling grateful about your profession, etc. So you can take that short course and start practicing it. And two most important thing you can do is daily morning write down the blessings in your life, that is the things you are grateful for, and at night hold a gratitude stone in your hand and say thank you about the best things happened in your life. What happens with practice of gratitude is you start appreciating what is there at present in your life, enjoying what is. That is the most important thing. Once you start enjoying what is, what you want get automatically in your life. That is the most important thing. But never focus on what you want before feeling good about what you have. Second thing, gratitude brings you in the present moment, and present moment is such a wonderful thing to be in, because in present moment you can be free of all negative emotions and you can be full of all positive feelings and thoughts. Experience this with yourself, experiment with this, and then feel it, and then you can watch for it. Third thing about gratitude is once you start practicing gratitude, you will get a taste of it and you want to do it more and more. And not only that, you will get what you want in your life once you start practicing gratitude. And gratitude is one single most important thing in my life which has transformed everything in my life. If you are not able to love yourself, yesterday and day before yesterday we were talking about self-esteem, self-love. Suppose by any chance if you are not able to love yourself, then start with gratitude. Feel grateful about yourself. Feel grateful for all those things you have done in your life. Thank yourself and then see, this is the key which will open love and happiness in your life. Once you start feeling gratitude about something or someone, you will start feeling love about that thing. And the greatest gift of gratitude is a gift of joy. Once you start feeling gratitude from the root of your heart, you will definitely feel happy. and that is our goal. As a human being, we want to be happy, and gratitude is such a simple thing which can give you happiness instantaneously. Within seconds you become happy if you are grateful. So this is my promise, not only my promise, this is a promise of greatest teacher of this world, not only this century, because Buddha was the first person who told us being grateful for. And there are many teachers after that who has taught us the importance of gratitude. So practice it, and then you will learn, then you will know how great that is, how great it is to be grateful for. So thank you. Today's practice, start writing gratitude journal. Take a gratitude stone in your hand, any simple stone which is soft to hold in your hand, and practice gratitude after getting up early in the morning and before going to bed, because these two times, at these two times your conscious mind is relaxed and you can go deep into your subconscious mind very easily, just getting up from the bed and just before going to sleep. And gratitude is the highest of human feelings. You are going to feel that feeling at these two times in a day, and you are going directly into subconscious mind. So friends, I'll see you tomorrow in day 7. Bye for now. Thank you.